Hello, everybody. Let's go over the internal anatomy of the eyeball. What I want to first draw your attention to is sort of you see these three colors, like a white, a red, and sort of this peach or salmon color. These really are going to be layers of or tunics of the eye, and this outer portion is going to be called the sclera. The red is going to be called the choroid, and the salmon structure is going to be called the retina. So retina, choroid, sclera. So retina, choroid, sclera. And so if we, the other structures you should, or the cavities you should know, is that anything above or in front of the lens, which is here, this is all going to be called the anterior chamber. And anything behind this lens or behind where the lens would be, this would be the posterior chamber. And inside of the posterior chamber, you're going to have a vitreous humor, which is actually it was going to be very viscous and jelly-like. And in the anterior chamber, it's going to be very watery, right? So if you remember in chemistry, like an aqueous solution, for example. So anterior chamber, posterior chamber. Aqueous humor would be in the anterior chamber. Vitreous humor would be in the posterior chamber. And then obviously if we helicopter this thing around, you could see that this is clearly going to be where not the retina, geez, I'm sorry, the pupil would be. Okay. All right. The other structures I wanted to show you here would be, so if you look here in purple, just trying to point there, that would be your fovea. Sometimes we call it the fovea centralis. And then this yellow structure is kind of surrounded by white. That's going to be your optic nerve. So, and you can also see the optic nerve here. So you can see the optic nerve kind of coming across there as well. Okay. So I think that is it. All right. So if you have any other questions, let me know.